Hey everyone, good morning. Myself Sonali Ananta Hivrade, and I welcome you all to our video lecture series which is based on the difference equation part 2. So, previously we have seen the fourth unit of video lecture series. So, today this is our lecture number 23, and we will start with the partial difference equation. So, let's continue with it. So, partial difference equation. Partial difference equations are difference equations that involve functions of two or more independent variables. What? The partial difference equations are the difference equations. Obviously. So, they are the difference equations that involve functions of two or more independent variables, and they occur frequently in the combinations. They occur frequently in the combinations of approximation of solution of partial differential equations. Okay, they occur frequently in the combinations and in the approximation of solutions of partial differential equations by finite difference methods. So आपल्याला जे पार्शियल डिफरन्स इक्वेशन आता पाहायचे ते कॉम्बिनेशन राहतील और ते अप्रॉक्सिमेशनच्या स्वरूपात राहतील कशाच्या द सोल्युशन ऑफ पार्शियल डिफरन्शियल इक्वेशन्सच्या आणि ते राहतील फायनाईट डिफरन्स मेथड्स. ओके, सो वी विल सी द डिस्क्रिटायझेशन ऑफ पार्शियल डिफरन्स इक्वेशन. So the discretization of partial differential इथे differential लागेल. So differential equations आपण discretization करणार आहोत. So consider the approximation of solutions of heat equation. The heat equation काय आहे? del u by del t equals to del 2u by del x square. So that this is the heat equation and we have given it the equation number 1. So with u of xt denoting the temperature at position x and time t. So this u will be u of xt, and this u of xt is denoting the temperature at position x and the time t. So the heat equation models problems in the physical and biological sciences that the flow of thermal energy is one space dimension. So the heat equation models problems in the physical and biological sciences. The heat equations प्रॉब्लेम आहेत आपल्याला फिजिकल सायन्समध्ये, बायोलॉजिकल सायन्समध्ये, जे की थर्मल एनर्जीच्या फ्लोवरती एकाच डायमेन्शनमध्ये काम करतात. सो to obtain the appropriate difference equation for equation 1, del u by del t equals to del 2u by del x square. Now let h and k be the small positive step 6's and define the grid points. So we will consider that h and k will be small positive steps, and we'll define the grid points as xi equals to ih and tj equals to jk. Now for certain integral values I and j, by Taylor's formula, u of xi into tj plus k is equals to u of xi tj plus del u by del t of xi into tj of k plus del 2u by del t square xi cij into k square by 2. Now for cj between tj and tj plus k, so del u dash by del t del u dash by del t of xi and tj is equals to u of xi tj plus k minus u of xi tj by k plus O of k. provided that del 2u by del t square exists and is bound. So the approximating difference equation for del u by del t equals to del 2u by del x square is y of I and j plus 1 equals to 1 by 1 minus 2k by h square into y of ij plus k by h square into y of I plus 1 and j plus y of I minus 1 and j. So, above equation 2 permits to compute the value of y at I and j plus 1. If the values of y at I and j and I plus 1 and j and I minus 1 and j are known, any such group of 4 points in the grid is called a computational model. So, any such a group of 4 points in the grid is called a computational molecule. And the molecules and grid points are uniquely determined for all the I and j which are equals to 0, 1, 2 and up to so on. So this is the molecule for the heat equation. So this is the Ij plus 1, this is I minus j, this is this is I and j, and this is I plus 1 and j. So moving to the left, we will go to I minus 1, I minus 2, I minus 3, and if we move further in the upward direction, we will get j plus 1, j plus 2, and in the right hand side we will get as I plus 1, I plus 2, I plus 3. So this is the I axis and this is the j axis. So this figure is the molecule for the heat equation. Now we will see the solution of partial difference equation. Consider a linear equation with two terms, that is y of ij equals to p of I, y of I plus a and j plus b. So here we have assumed that the coefficient function of p is a function of only one variable and p does not vanish. Now the shifts a and b are arbitrary but fixed integer. These a and b are the shifts which are arbitrary but they are the fixed integers with a not equals to 0. So now let f be an arbitrary function and try a solution of the form y of ij is equals to z of I into f of aj minus bi. So this is our equation number 1. Now we get z of I f of aj minus bi equals to pi z of ia into f of aj plus b minus b of I into a, that is equals to p of I z of ia. This will give us f of aj plus f of aj plus f of ab minus b of bi and ba, but this ab and this ba will get cancelled, so we get f of aj minus bi. So z of I equals to p of I into z of I plus a. So this z of I and f of aj minus bi and this f of aj minus bi, so this thing and this thing will be cancelled. So we get z of I equals to p of I into z of I plus a, this term. So this can be solved by iteration and has mod of a independent solution z1, z2 and up to so on z to the base mod of a. So from 1 and the fact that the equation is homogeneous, we have y of ij equals to summation from I equals to 1 to mod a fn aj minus bi zn of I, which is the solution of difference equation for any arbitrary functions f1 to f1, f2 and up to so on f of mod a, and hence this is the solution of PD that is partial difference equation. So here we have done all the lectures and all the unit. So this is the end of our difference equation part 2. We have covered all the 5 units, and I hope you all have understand the 5 units. So thank you so much.